Hello, all my young mad scientists. It's so great to see you again. Yes, June 22nd, we have the Mad Scientist Fair coming to Downtown Tulare. You'll be able to get a free science kit if you're in grades 1st through 6th. If you're 6 years old or younger, we have a Medi-Teddy for you. We've even got lab coats so that you can look like an actual mad scientist. And this year, we're giving them out to the adults too. That's right. It's all free while supplies last, so don't be late. The adventure starts at 10 a.m. at 215 South K Street in downtown Tulare. Science kits full of interesting experiments. You'll find Medi-Teddys. You will get a lab coat. Come to 215 South K Street, the Patio, in downtown Tulare. Let's have fun on June 22nd, starting at 10 a.m.